Hello and welcome to my Music Foundation YouTube video. My name is Giselle and today we will be discussing on intervals of 5. So intervals of 5, before I speak, an interval is the distance between two notes. Intervals of 5, an example would be C to G, and a great way to remember an interval of 5 is the first two notes in Star Wars. C to G, this is an example of a harmonic fifth and melodic fifth. Again, you can hear that in the Star Wars song. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Bye. Have a great day.